Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Rogue Cups. I have some updated information for you. And we're also going to be talking about Mackerel, because Mackerel reached Canada. Anyways, let's get into this story. It says the Director of Public Prosecution has ruled that two of the policemen who were reportedly involved in the recent controversial shooting at Chedwin Park in St. Catherine that ended with 3 persons, including a policeman, dead, should be charged with a number of offenses. Following an investigation by the Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM) and the ruling by the Office of Director of Public Prosecution, Corporal Kirk Fraser and Raymond Scott are to be charged today, May 17th, with a total of 9 offenses, a release from INDECOM stated. INDECOM officials outlined in the document that officers are jointly charged with 7 offenses and Corporal Scott is charged separately with 2 other offenses. Both officers are charged with murder of the businessman Sheldon Daly, otherwise called Junior Biggs, shooting with intent, illegal possession of 2 firearms, illegal possession of their respective ammunition, and the offense of manslaughter of a man identified as Kevron Burrell, arising from the motor vehicle collision at the junction linking Brunswick Avenue and Jobber Lane. Corporal Scott is further charged with illegal possession of another firearm and illegal possession of ammunition for the firearm. Both officers are expected to appear in Circuit Court District of the Supreme Court on Monday, May 20th. Reports are that Daly was shot dead at a party at Chedwin Park outside Spanish Town in St. Catherine, allegedly by 3 rogue cops who were then chased off by an off-duty policeman. However, one of the alleged rogue cops has since given an entirely different account of what transpired, with the reference to another major figure in the incident as having been one of the villains of the night. The now accused officer has suggested that it was an off-duty cop who fatally shot both policemen and a civilian at the scene of the car crash when the chase ended, but autopsy reports on the 2 bodies have revealed that both men died from blunt force trauma, not bullet wounds. The 2 surviving policemen from the accused trio are in custody. And let me just say this. We know that these autopsy can be rigged up to whatever they want it to say. You just have to have the right person in your pocket, and more than likely they have the right person in their pocket to say that they died from blunt force trauma and not gunshot wounds. Honestly, I applaud them for actually charging them with so much and putting it out there that they're being charged, but this always happens. This is not the first time, this is not the second time that this has happened. They charge these officers for these grave offenses like murder and manslaughter and illegal possession of a firearm, and then they go to court and then they get off scotch-free. Okay, and then they still go back to their cushy jobs in the JCF, and people have a problem with that, and that's why people don't trust the JCF anymore, because these officers can get away with murder, manslaughter, illegal possession of a firearm and all these things and still have a job. They're basically bad man with a badge, and we've seen this happen already. We were told by a police officer that there are rogue cops out there, that there are killer squads out there. So this wasn't surprising to us. It was just surprising the way it happened, and that multiple police officers were involved and police officer was the one chasing down another police officer. So it's not shocking to us, but I hope they actually get to go to where they need to go, and that is prison. Okay, they killed a man, they killed a businessman, they killed also a civilian in that car crash that they claim he died from blunt force trauma. I definitely do not believe that for 1 second. Comment in the comment section below and tell me what you guys think. Chucky Brown already warned us about cops like these. So tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Do you think that they're actually going to be arrested and prosecuted? If you think they're going to be arrested and prosecuted to the full extent of the law and they're not just going to get away with this scotch-free, because this right here shows that there's corruption deep within the JCF. I'm sorry if you're hearing my son in the background also. But Mackerel reached Canada, and recently I seen a picture of Mackerel at embassy, the Canadian embassy, and people were taking pictures of her, and I'm happy to see that she actually got her, I don't know if it's her work permit to work in Canada or if she get a visa to go to Canada.
Canada. Hey, Mackerel is in Canada. People, may I tell you this, it's Sunday. We are talking about a cup of coffee. Alright then. You don't know, so Lady Hill is one of the hosts, and Mackerel is in the building. Oh my God. Alongside Bambo. Are you in Bambo? Okay, come here, Fulky. Now I video too. I'm with there now. Yes, so we're here.
You know DJ Fulky says, I mean, no sir, right now I'm happy to select Jamaica, you see me? You know what thing, you know, so anyway, there right now, trouble dead, you see me, because you know, so we street, sir, right now, you see me? Trouble night.
You're the right thing. Trouble night. This Sunday, the only place to be. Other than a cup of coffee with Mackerel. You know, come where's the Mackerel friend? And all these things. All these things, yeah.
So what are the nice man? Because when we come to nobody else. What are the nice man? They roll out and come.
But congrats goes out to Mackerel. Everyone, I want to be Canadian residents. If you live close to this party that they're promoting, please go out and support her, okay? Instead of bashing her, actually support her and make sure she has a different life, okay? Big up to Mackerel. Keep on doing your thing, girl. And that girl that you have beside you, she look like a real friend. Make sure you keep her around. I think she's going to have your best interest at heart, because she's also the one that accompanied Mackerel to the Canadian embassy. But big up yourself, Mackerel. Tell me what you guys think about Mackerel going to Canada. Do you think that Mackerel got thief people man at Canada, or she's just there for business? I think she is there for business, and she's holding her head high and trying to go through a different path, a different avenue to make money and make a way for herself and also her child. And you have to do nothing but applaud her for what she's doing, okay? She could have gone so many other ways. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what your thoughts are, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.